What's up, guys? This is a video for a spindle replacement. Just kind of show you how to do it. Not too bad at all. This is a Hustler Raptor 42 inch. Got a Kawasaki FR600V. It's a 23 year, but it only got I'm getting at 129.3 hours. Well, I don't know, about on this thing 80 hours, and it's a Raptor X. So it's not the very low end residential, but yeah, it's a residential mower. Runs just like brand new. Everything's fine with it. Anyway, it was super loud, roaring, but it was cutting fine anyway. So I finally set it to the side. I got a different mowers, and got the fast track, got the Lexus. Another got an XD 42 in there. What I used to, so I fixed this one here. Anyways, what you kind of got to do is you're going to jack it up right here in the front. Go ahead and just jack it up. Take the blades off. Easy blade replacement on these two. Not like a Skag with it. You got the bolts and everything, a big bolt cut. No, this is easy. Right there, 24 millimeter socket. Take the blades off. Take the black covers. I haven't put the covers back on, but there they are. One goes on each side. Little pulley cover is what it is. To protect it, 10 millimeters. Take those off. Take the belt off. And what you're going to do is for these pulleys, because they're going to spin on, you're going to use a chain wrench, is what I use. You can try to stick something through those holes and think you're going to hold it. No, those things is tight. So I got, of course, a chain wrench. Put that around the pulley. That's all you need. Chain wrench. Then you got your half-inch drive. Let me see what that is. Socket. I think it's 19 millimeter socket. Put that on there. Take that top bolt off. Right there. Got your normal washer, got a spacer. When this comes off, there's another one of these right underneath. Take it off. The only thing left is you got 4 nuts with a stud sticking up through with a spindle. Right there. So when you get this out of the way, take those nuts off, and then yeah, it'll fall down. Those are lock nuts, nylon lock nuts. Then you come on to the other side. Grass flat. That's the only chute blocker to have. I mean, it works best for me, especially on the sit-down zero turn. Anyway, and then yeah, same thing. Same thing on this side. When you get them off, when I took mine off, I felt them. Here they are, a couple of them right here. Set them out here. Yeah, 2A boy. Anyways, these things, you could feel them binding inside, but these are the old ones. Like I said, only 129 hours, which I find it, and I haven't hit nothing with them. I don't know, they just don't make things like they used to. I had a Raptor, a base model back that I bought brand new in 2013, a 52 inch. Never replaced them. It didn't have an hour meter on it, but I had that thing for 12 years, mowing acreage with that. Never replace them. It's just things nowadays is not built like they used to. That's what I'm saying. So, but anyways, that's what they look like when you get them new. I got them from Amazon. I got 2 of them, new, complete new, for like $45. You can get the factory ones, brand new. I don't know, maybe $90, $100, something like that, for 2 factory ones. But you have to take the studs out on each one. Just put the nut on, get you a little hammer, tap it, the studs will come right out. And then same thing, you're just going to get them. If this was the new one, put it in. I made a little thing because you got these. I put a washer down, and I got this one because I didn't want to use the same nut to pull all of those through. So I had an extra nut, just kind of stuck it in there. After you do it a couple times, as you can see, yeah, it'll like weld up in there. Perfect. and you need the space. You see the space inside there? You need that space because when it pulls that stud through, you don't want the threads or nothing to hit. They're kind of hard to see down in there, but so anyway, just put the washers and nut. Get your hammer gun. Got a Milwaukee. Put whatever size it was. I can't remember. It's 14. I think that's what it was. Let me see. Right there. Yeah, 14 millimeters what I use, and that's it. I pulled those 4 through. The other one, same thing. Get down there, put it in, put the 4 bolts in, bolt it. Don't forget the big spacer, that chain wrench on it, tighten them up, put the belt back on, put the blades in. The blades, they were used, but I got this. I just pushing this blade sharper. This Gin Lydia. I got a different video. If you want to see about the reviews on this sharpener I just got. Anyways, that's on a different video. You can check that out. They did a good job, I think. So, and that's it. Now I took it outside. Now it's normal. It cranks up. It's got your normal noise, the humming that you can hear from the deck. It just hums rather than it was so loud before. You thought it was just going to blow up on you. The deck of the bearings were bad. And yeah, I waited too long. I should have done it earlier. But anyway, the other 2 pulleys on there, the tensioner. Let me get down there so you can see. This one right here is the belt tensioner, which it's hooked to the spring right there, like that. And the other one's just like an idler. But it's easy to get this belt off. You don't need nothing. You just pull it, just grab it like that. And when you pull it, you'll get the slack out. You can just grab it right here and I can pull this belt right here and just take it right off. You don't need to mess with this spring. Same thing, put them all back on first. Leave this one last. And then all you gotta do is grab that belt and it'll grab right here. And then you just turn the pulley with your hand. It'll hand and go right on. So you don't have to mess with this spring to put those back on. So that's it. So I'm gonna get the covers. I'll put those covers back on there. She's ready to go. I mean, if you can work on things yourself, do it yourself. Don't take that to the dealer to have them put on spindles. You're gonna pay a ton of money. Amazon, like I said, Amazon was for this 42 inch. This got they were $45, $48. Took me whatever time it took. Not too long. So yeah, that's it. So that's the review. That's kind of how to do spindles on a Hustler Raptor. This fast track would be the same thing. It's move the covers if it needed them. Same thing on all the Raptors. I would imagine they're the same deal. There you have it, guys. See you.